couple floods. So not floods, but a couple good rainstorms. Unfortunately though, the tide is really high, so I can't walk anywhere. But I was just screwing around. I picked up a little blob top I found in a little white cream jar, but I saw that over there, so I'm hoping it's a medicine bottle. But we'll look together and see how our day is gonna be. Yeah, it don't look like a medicine bottle anymore. Yeah. Alright, well, see what we find today. Here's our next one. I don't know what it's gonna be, but pull it out with you. Let's see what we got. It's a crown top. And it's a Lines and Sons. Find these all the time. It's a blown bottle, but pretty common. So I just popped this out. I didn't think it was anything. It had a giant hole in it, but it's a little Hensley's from Newark again. Oh well. So just in case that's something, I'm gonna film it. Busted whatever it is. Let's see what it is. Oh. Nothing. Alright, so I just pulled this out. I didn't think it was anything, and then turns out it's a Thomas Edison special battery. I never found one like that. I found the Thomas Edisons before, but never like this one. See what it looks like. Hold it up. Full of sand and has some lip chips, but it says Thomas Edison, registered, U.S. trade, U.S. mark, patent office, 4-ounce special battery oil. Huh. Yeah, I never found that one before. Thomas Edison, Inc. Orange, New Jersey. Sweet. I'll take that. I was walking and seeing that. Do you see it? Nothing? Look at that little porcelain leg. Alright, so I'm not really finding much to brag about. Found this little mason lid. It's kind of worn, I can't even read what it says. And then found this little Rikers from New York. Has a giant chip taken out of it here and here, but it's a cool little perfume bottle. Found this thing, I don't know what it is. Looks like it says Lentine something, Woodbridge, New Jersey. Thick as hell, so maybe it's a pipe. Like a drainage pipe or something. And then that, another little sign. And there's not much left here, but I don't even know what street that is. So I'll keep looking and let you know what else I get. I'm gonna show you this little thing. It's a Pepsi. It's an old Pepsi bottle from Norfolk, Virginia. And I never find Pepsi bottles down here. Huh. I haven't found a Pepsi, I haven't found a Coke. The only thing I found was the, I mean, I find the Hobble skirts all the time, and then the newer ones, but the older ones like this, I never find. I found one amber bottom like this of a Coke. I don't even know where that one was from, and then now this, so can't read that bottom. I'm gonna put my glasses on and see what it says. This bottle not to be sold under penalty of the law. Huh. But you can obviously see it was a Pepsi bottle. Oh well. Alright, so pickings are still slim. Just thought I'd show you this cobalt crock thing. That's pretty cool. That's got to be old. And then another old brick, but if you look, the S is backwards, so there was an error. I have one of these already, but just thought I'd show that. Alright, so I'm walking through the woods and I find this thing. It says Hardy on it. It's so heavy. Come here, Hardy. I have no idea what it is. Anybody know what that is? Alright, that's pretty cool. So, see that little thing? It's a little tree. Then you see this thing that grew inside that big ass truck tire. I don't know, Mother Nature will take you up anything. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.